Hey everyone, it's JT. In this lesson, we are going to talk about building an emergency fund, a financial safety net that can be a lifesaver for business owners. Now, you might be thinking, JT, I'm already saving for retirement. Isn't that enough? Well, retirement savings are important, but they're for the long haul. An emergency fund is for those unexpected bumps in the road that can pop up at any time. Okay, so think like this. Little Johnny is cruising along with his lemonade stand when suddenly, bam, a storm hits and his sign goes flying, landing right in his pitcher of lemonade. Now, he's got no sign, no lemonade, and a bunch of soggy lemons. It's a disaster. But wait, little Johnny was smart. He had an emergency fund. He dips into it to buy a new sign and some fresh lemons, and he's back in business before you know it. That's the power of an emergency fund. It can help you cover unexpected expenses without derailing your finances or dip into your long-term savings. Now, how much should you save in your emergency savings and fund? Well, it depends. A common rule of thumb is to have 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses saved up. But as a business owner, you might want to aim for a little more, just to be safe. Okay, so here are a few things to consider. Your business stability. Is your business income fairly predictable, or does it fluctuate a lot? Your personal expenses. How much do you need to cover your essential living expenses each month? And your risk tolerances. How comfortable are you with taking risks? Once you have a good understanding of your financial situation, you can set savings goals and start building your emergency fund. Okay, so here are a few tips. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your business account to your emergency fund each month. Cut back on unnecessary expenses. Look for ways to trim your spending and redirect that money for your emergency fund. Increase your income. Let's explore ways to boost your business revenue or to take a side hustle to accelerate your savings. Remember, building an emergency fund takes time and discipline. It's one of the best things you can do to protect your financial future and give yourself peace of mind. So, start saving today and be prepared for whatever life throws your way.